In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Vimeo account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First off, let's get started. Open your favorite web browser. It could be Google Chrome, Firefox, or even Safari, whichever one you prefer. Now once you're on your browser, go ahead and type in the URL www.vimeo.com. Just hit enter and it will take you to the Vimeo homepage. Once you're on Vimeo, look for the button that says Join or Sign Up. This is usually at the top of the homepage. Click on that to start the account creation process. You'll be presented with a couple of options for signing up. If you already have a Google account and you'd prefer to sign up quickly, you can choose to Continue with Google. Just click the button for that option, and it will guide you through signing up via your Google account. But if you want to use your email instead, that's completely fine too. Just enter your email address in the provided field. After entering your email, you'll need to add your name and create a password. It's important to choose a strong password to keep your account secure. You want something memorable, but also difficult for others to guess. Once you've filled in all those details, hit the Continue button. Now, Vimeo has some verification steps in place to make sure it's really you signing up. This verification could be an email sent to your inbox, where you'll have to click a link to verify your email address, or it might ask for other information. Follow whatever prompts you see on the screen. Now, after you've verified your account, you might encounter a step where Vimeo asks you how you plan to use their platform. This is important because Vimeo is tailored for different types of users. Whether you're a filmmaker, a business, or just looking to share personal videos, based on your selection, they can offer you recommendations and tools suited to your needs. Next, you may be prompted to select a Vimeo plan. Vimeo offers a range of plans, including a free version and various paid subscriptions that come with additional features like increased storage space and advanced analytics. Take a moment to review the options and select the plan that best fits your needs. If you're just starting out and want to explore what Vimeo has to offer, the free plan is a great way to begin. Once you've made your selection, the final step is to complete the account setup. This usually involves confirming some information one last time before you finalize the account creation. After everything is filled out and confirmed, just click the button to complete your registration. Congratulations! You've now created your very own Vimeo account. You should be taken directly to your new account dashboard. This is your hub for all things Vimeo, where you can start uploading videos, creating albums, and connecting with other users. For a final check, navigate to your profile. You might find an icon of a person or a thumbnail image that represents you in the corner of the screen. Click on that to open your profile and confirm that your account has been properly created. You'll see some basic information about your account, and from here, you can personalize your profile further if you'd like. And that's it. You're now ready to start sharing your videos on Vimeo. Don't forget to explore the platform and discover all the features it offers. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it, and happy video sharing!